Welcome back to my YouTube channel English Pharma KPK. Friends, today we will talk about Cobalmin tablets. What Cobalmin is, how it is used, its benefits, and finally we will discuss its side effects. This tablet is manufactured by Macter Pharma. If we talk about its price, one pack costs around 220 pkr and it is easily available at any medical store. Now let's discuss the composition of Cobalmin. Each tablet contains Cobalmin 500 mg. Uses and benefits. Cobalmin is generally used in the treatment of vitamin B12 deficiency, anemia, that is, low blood levels. In simple words, Cobalmin helps to overcome vitamin B12 deficiency and treat anemia. It is also used in peripheral neuropathy. Symptoms of peripheral neuropathy include weakness of nerves, muscle cramps and pain, tingling or pins and needles sensation in hands and feet, numbness in hands and feet, pain in different parts of the body, muscle stiffness or even facial paralysis in some cases, back pain and leg cramps, fatigue due to anemia, pale skin, weight loss, physical and mental weakness, decreased sexual desire. For these conditions, Cobalmin tablets are commonly prescribed. Side effects. Possible side effects of Cobalmin include upset stomach, headache, nausea or vomiting, diarrhea or constipation, allergic reactions in some people. Proper usage. Cobalmin tablets are usually taken after meals with a glass of water. Doctors may prescribe it once or twice a day, and in some cases 3 times a day depending on the patient's condition. So always use this medicine according to your doctor's advice. Friends, this was today's video. If you found this information helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Thank you.